If you're feeling off and can't pinpoint the cause, it's not uncommon and often not a cause for concern. Several factors may contribute to these feelings, including anxiety, stress, social burnout, fatigue, hunger or thirst, and physical ailments. Symptoms of anxiety can include restlessness and increased heart rate, while stress might manifest as physical aches or mental irritability. Introverts may experience social burnout after prolonged interaction, leading to fatigue and irritability. A lack of sleep or basic needs like food and hydration can also leave you feeling unwell. It's essential to listen to your body and identify specific sensations, as simple solutions like a nutritious snack, hydration, or a good night's sleep can help. Additionally, practicing mindfulness, such as body scan meditation, can help you reconnect with your feelings and reduce stress or anxiety.